What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here. This one is about Odumeje. Yes, Odumeje was live in Nnewi with the CEO of Innoson Motors. We all know the CEO of Innoson Motors he's not a kind of a party guy. Yes, he's not a party guy at all. He's actually someone who is always focused on his business, and anything that brought him outside on this particular occasion was really something to be reckoned for. Anyway, it was a burial ceremony of one of their own. Yeah, he's also one of the biggest boys in Nnewi, and he put the father to rest. Sorry, not the mother, the father to rest. And I'll be sharing with you all of the highlights from the burial ceremony. Anyidon performed. MC Kojensi was the MC. Enjoy.
Gabros, Innoson na gwa mama, odika na gwa fala. Nnewi, ekele mono. If you are meeting me for the very first time, my name is Kojensi, MC Nnewi, the king in the east. Thank you so much, MC Onyame. Ibashirika. International, are we ready? I want to specially recognize my godfather, Super High Chief Dr. Onyeka Chukwu Kosperi Obatu. Obere Nwaneba Gumman Obodoko, the Managing Director CEO of Spanish Group, the CEO of Spanish Kingdom Hotel and Suites in Nnewi. Dominance for this. Doctor is very okay. This is an intellectual giant. Okay, mom, we need to go over the Ego 19 miles, each 10-kilometer road. Where we end over the Ego. And it's distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to hand over the microphone to my brother, my friend. A dude in warm and well, please. Now we're going to check out. If you use your brother time with you get up we got no way. We'll see your progress. If you use your brother time with you get up we got no way. We'll see your progress. So keep pressing a water. Only people who do so, yeah, if I'm poor, if I'm silly. Don't be say you get bread. That man is Jesus Christ. He can't do no. He can't do no see. He cannot talk to Kerege. That is what I am. I'm in the Boski.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are about to take this event to another level. Odumeje is alive. Odumeje is alive. Odumeje.
A lot of people tend to feel like I just keep focusing on the eastern part of Nigeria content and everything that happened around people there, but the truth of the matter is that I own a family here, which is more of like a community to myself and everybody who come back to this channel to watch my videos. I honor you guys for always finding our time to come out, and that is why whatsoever happened in your local community, I'll try as much as possible to fetch them out and bring them out to you in this platform called YouTube. Yes, always to entertain you, always to keep you with the latest happening from your community wherever you are in the globe. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a comment. See you guys on my next